Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Online Marble, and this is the English channel of Marble Flooring Jitendra Sharma. So please do like and subscribe to this channel. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you a very beautiful design in granite, a very beautiful staircase design in granite. As you can see this stone is Chimma pink. The price of this pink granite is around 50 to 60 rupees, the starting price in Rajasthan wholesale market. And another granite which you can see is called as Rajasthan black granite, and the price of that is around 60 to 70 rupees per square feet in Rajasthan wholesale market. Now as you can see, this is double molding is done on the stairs, and the price of double molding, the installation price of double molding is around 80 to 100 to 120 rupees running feet. Now let us talk about the installation. The installation price of installing this granite would come around 25 rupees to 40 rupees in village area, but the prices goes in a metro city up to 75 rupees, starts from 75 rupees, and it can go even higher. So you can have a look how the combination of this will look in your house. The reason for installing granite in staircase is it doesn't hold much of stains, and even if you pour acid or anything on it, it won't stay. And one more reason is that the granite is already polished. You don't have to install and polish it, whereas in marble, when you buy marble, you have to install it and then you have to polish. But the granite is already polished. When you buy it, it will be already polished, and it will give a house very premium look. So guys, you can have a look how this staircase will look in your house, and you can even have an idea if you want to install such granite in your house. So thank you guys, hope you like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.